guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can delete a profile on Netflix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just simply click on Netflix, and when you're going to be here, let's go to manage profiles. Let's just delete the Netflix and open Netflix again. And right here you're going to see who's watching. You want to go to right top corner to the pencil, and right here you want to click on whatever profile you want to delete. And then you want to click here on down below, delete profile. Okay, so we need to delete here and click delete profile. And this is how you can simply delete the profile. So you click on a profile and right down below you're gonna say deleted. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.